Imagine stepping into your kitchen and finding a lush, thriving herb garden, full of fresh basil, mint, and cilantro, ready to elevate your cooking. Sounds like a dream? Well, it's completely possible, and easier than you think. Welcome to the Grow Hydro Herbs channel, where we talk about growing herbs indoors with hydroponics. This is Mike, your host. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get started with hydroponic herb gardening, so you can enjoy these fresh flavors year-round. Today, I'm going to guide you through the essential tips for starting your own hydroponic herb garden. Whether you're brand new to hydroponics or just brushing up, these tips are what you need to start growing healthy, vibrant herbs indoors. Choosing the right herbs is crucial when starting out. Focus on low-maintenance herbs like basil, mint, and cilantro. These herbs grow vigorously and are great for culinary use, giving you flavors that burst straight from your indoor garden. Consider mixing culinary herbs, like basil for Italian dishes and mint for desserts, with medicinal herbs like lemon balm, which can add health benefits to your garden. After choosing your herbs, it's time to pick the hydroponic system. For beginners, deep water culture is easy to manage, just an air pump, a reservoir, and your plants. For a more advanced option, nutrient film technique is great for herbs that need a continuous nutrient supply. Deep water culture works well for beginners because of its simplicity, while NFT is ideal for those seeking faster growth and oxygenation of roots. Make sure to choose a system that suits both your skills and available space. Compact systems are also fantastic for small spaces, like your kitchen or even a windowsill. They allow you to experiment and learn without needing a large setup. I like to think of it as training wheels. It gives you everything you need to get started, but it can slow you down or not give you the best possible results. Let's start setting up your hydroponic garden. First, use a plastic tote for your reservoir. Make sure it's opaque to block light and prevent algae growth. Drill holes for your net pots and install air tubing to ensure your plants have enough oxygen and nutrients. For growing media, rock wool is an excellent choice. Soak the cubes in water before placing your herb seeds or seedlings in them. It's crucial to maintain proper pH levels. Keep your nutrient solution between 5.5 and 6.5 to ensure optimal growth. Test regularly with a pH meter. For temperature, keep your garden between 65 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit during the day to promote ideal growth conditions. Aim for humidity levels between 40 to 70%. Proper humidity prevents your herbs from drying out or developing mold. Good air circulation is vital. If needed, use a small fan to keep air moving around your plants, preventing fungal issues. Lighting is key. Use full-spectrum LED grow lights for 14 to 16 hours a day to mimic sunlight and promote healthy growth. Place your lights about 12 to 24 inches above your plants. Adjust the height as your herbs grow to ensure they're getting enough, but not too much, light. Maintaining nutrient levels is crucial. Use a TDS meter to check the total dissolved solids in your nutrient solution. Aim for about 1,300 parts per million. Adjust your nutrient mix as your plants grow. Follow the guidelines on your nutrient package to ensure you're providing just what your herbs need. Use spring or distilled water to mix your nutrients. It makes pH adjustments easier and promotes better plant health. To keep a consistent light schedule, use a timer. This ensures your plants get exactly the right amount of light each day without you having to remember. Let's talk harvesting. For most herbs, harvesting when they reach 6 to 8 inches is ideal. Use clean scissors to cut above a node. This encourages regrowth. Pinch off the tops of your herbs regularly. This promotes bushier growth and keeps your plants from getting leggy. To store freshly harvested herbs, place them in a jar with a little water and loosely cover with a plastic bag. This keeps them fresh for about a week. Another option is to freeze your herbs. Place them in ice cube trays with water or oil, perfect for soups and stews later. For longer storage, you can dry your herbs by hanging them upside down in a cool, dark place. This keeps their aroma and potency intact. By following these essential tips, you'll have a thriving herb hydroponics garden in no time. Imagine fresh, fragrant herbs, ready to elevate every meal. With the right setup, care, and dedication, your garden will flourish. Thanks for joining me today. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more hydroponic guides. Drop your questions or favorite herbs to grow in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, this is Mike saying goodbye, and keep on hydroponicking.